guys, I'm Gean and today me and Grace will discuss to you about the importance and characteristics of vitamins and minerals to our body. As we know, vitamins and minerals supports many functions in our body that if we consume less of it or too much of it could cause harm. So both of us are here to promote healthy diet and enough amount of nutrients that our body daily needs.
So thanks, Gian. So let's come forward for vitamins to know what is vitamins. So when we say vitamins is an organic substance that made by plants and animals. So for example, for plants, when we say plants, there are vegetables and fruits, right? So vitamins usually found in food that we usually eat or take in every day. Vitamins in food also help our body to be healthier. So vitamins are divided into two categories, the water-soluble and the fat-soluble. So when we say water-soluble, which means that the body expels what does not absorb. Okay? So the other one is the fat-soluble. Fat-soluble is where leftover amount are absorbed in the liver and rest tissue and fat tissue as reserve.
What is mineral? Well, mineral is an inorganic element that does not come from plants or animals. Our body needs to consume a larger amount of some minerals such as calcium to keep our bones strong and healthy.
So, vitamins are classified as either fat-soluble or water-soluble. So when we say fat-soluble, the fat-soluble contains vitamin A, D, E, and K, while the water-soluble contains the vitamin B and C. The difference between these two groups are very important because it determines how each vitamins act within the body.
Minerals are elements in our food that is needed for our body to develop and function normally. These essential elements include calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, chloride, magnesium, iron, iodine, zinc, fluoride, manganese, and selenium. Minerals could come from a variety of food sources, just like for example, for major minerals or macro minerals, we have calcium, which we could get from yogurt, cheese, milk, dairy products, and green leafy vegetables. And for potassium, we could get it from meat, grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. For magnesium, we also have spinach, broccoli, legumes, seeds, and whole wheat breads. For sodium, these are most commonly found in salt and soy sauce. We also have for trace minerals such as micro minerals such as copper. We could get it from shellfish, nuts, seeds, prunes, and whole wheat breads. Iodine, which could come from iodized salts and seafoods. Iron, which we could get from meat, red meat, poultry eggs, green veggies, and fortified breads. We also have zinc, which can come from meat, shellfish, legumes, and whole wheat grains.
Food source. In food source, the vitamins has two categories, the water-soluble and the fat-soluble. In water-soluble, there are 5 examples that I can give for food source. First one is the B2. The B2 contains milk, yogurt, and cheese. The B6 contains meat, fish, and poultry. B7 contains egg and soybean. B12 contains soy milk. And the last one is the vitamin C. The vitamin C contains potato, broccoli, and bell pepper. For the fat-soluble, there are 4 food source. The vitamin A, which the vitamin A contains beef, liver, egg, and shrimp. The vitamin B contains fatty fish. The vitamin E contains vegetables oil. And lastly, the vitamin K, which the vitamin K contains cabbage and egg.
There are many kinds of minerals, but certain ones of it are necessarily needed for an optimal health. These minerals are split into 2 groups. First is the major minerals or the macro minerals. Second is the trace minerals or the micro minerals. Both minerals are equally essential and is needed in our body. It's just that trace minerals are needed in a lesser amount than major minerals.
Mineral deficiency occurs when our body lacks the required amount of minerals. This commonly happens over time due to lack of consumption of minerals or difficulty in absorbing minerals. This mineral deficiency can cause various of health problems including weakness of bones, weakened immune system, or extreme fatigue. There are 5 main categories of mineral deficiency: calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc deficiency. I have here 3 examples of mineral deficiency. First example is calcium deficiency. Calcium deficiency's most common symptom includes cramping of muscles and numbness. The second example is iron deficiency. Iron deficiency is the most common caused by anemia or loss of iron in blood due to heavy menstruation or pregnancy. The most common symptoms of this iron deficiency is dizziness, pale skin, and extreme fatigue. The third example we have here is potassium deficiency. It is commonly caused by excessive loss of fluid or potassium in urine due to medical prescriptions that increases urination. The most common symptoms of potassium deficiency is constipation, palpitations, and tingling muscle spasms.
Deficiency symptoms and diseases. For vitamins, the vitamins deficiency anemia is a lack of normal red blood cells when we have lower than the normal amount of certain vitamins in our body. The vitamins deficiency anemia include the vitamin B12 and vitamin C. The symptoms of the vitamins deficiency anemia is the fatigue, dizziness, weight loss, and muscle weakness. The cause of vitamins deficiency anemia is that it develops slowly over months to years, and it also develops when our body has a shortage of vitamins that needed to produce enough healthy red blood cells. Vitamins and minerals perform hundreds of roles in our body. The vitamins' function is to make us active every day, while the minerals is needed in our body cells. In addition, vitamins and minerals help us heal our wound and boost our immune system.
The answer to that is those people that are the most at risk for nutritional deficiency are those people who doesn't give enough care for their nutritional health. Oftentimes they forget to or they neglect the importance of eating nutritional foods, and this deficiency can cause very serious health problems. It can cause skin disorders or even dementia.
That's all for today. Don't forget.
Say no to vitamin deficiency, eat healthy, and exercise regularly.